Most Americans don't realize this, but there is a completely legal, IRS-approved way to move part of your 401k into physical gold without paying any penalties or taxes. And in an economy where inflation is rising, markets feel unstable, and retirement accounts lose value, more people are looking for something real, something that actually protects their savings. This video explains exactly how a penalty-free 401k to gold IRA rollover works, step by step, in simple, easy-to-follow language. No financial jargon, no confusion, just the truth that most advisors never share. This presentation is brought to you by American Money Reserve, one of the nation's most trusted precious metals companies. If you decide you want the full guide after watching, you can request it free at americanmoneyreserve.com. Let's begin with the basics. A traditional 401k is fully tied to the stock market, mutual funds, bonds, and paper assets. This works well during strong economic periods, but during recessions, inflation spikes, or market downturns, your savings can lose value very quickly. A gold IRA works differently. It allows you to hold real, physical gold inside your retirement account, not a gold stock, not a paper fund, but actual metal stored in an IRS-approved vault. Gold is one of the oldest and most reliable stores of value in the world, surviving every recession and every market crash in modern history. That's why so many people are turning to it for protection. Now let's look at IRS rules, because this is where most people get confused. You are legally allowed to move money from a 401k into a gold IRA tax-free and penalty-free when it's done as an IRS-approved rollover. That means no 10% early withdrawal penalty, no taxable event, no withholding, no time restrictions. It is treated as a transfer, not a withdrawal. Do you qualify? There are two common scenarios. Scenario 1, your 401k is from a previous job. If this is you, you can almost always roll it over immediately with zero penalties. Scenario 2, you still work for the employer sponsoring the 401k. In this case, you may qualify for what's called an in-service distribution, which allows you to move part of your 401k into a gold IRA while still employed. Most people don't know this exists because employers rarely explain it, and advisors have little incentive to help you move money away from Wall Street. Next, let's talk about the safest method, the direct rollover. This is the preferred method because your money never touches your personal bank account. It moves directly from your 401k custodian to your new IRA custodian. This eliminates taxes, eliminates penalties, and keeps the process simple. Now let's go through the actual rollover process with American Money Reserve. Step 1. Visit americanmoneyreserve.com and request the free gold IRA guide. Step 2. A specialist helps you open your self-directed IRA. Step 3. You decide how much of your retirement you want to protect with gold. Many retirees choose between 10 and 30%, depending on the goals. Step 4. Your 401k custodian transfers the funds directly to your new IRA custodian in a tax-free rollover. Step 5. You choose your metals. Only IRS-approved gold can be placed in an IRA. Step 6. Your metals are shipped to an IRS-approved, fully insured depository, where they are held in your name. What gold qualifies? The IRS requires specific purity levels, typically 99.5% pure bullion. Approved items include American Gold Eagles, certain gold bars, and other recognized bullion products. These are not collectibles and not rare coins, they are investment-grade metals designed for retirement accounts. Once your gold is stored, you receive verification documents showing exactly what you own. Your gold is insured, audited, and protected. This process ensures you hold something real, something that does not disappear when the stock market swings. So why are so many retirees doing this right now? Because 2025 brings a unique set of challenges: rising inflation, higher living costs, global uncertainty, and a volatile stock market. Many investors don't feel comfortable having their entire retirement tied to Wall Street. Gold is not a gamble. It is a hedge, a form of protection that has stood the test of time. When markets fall, gold tends to remain stable or even rise. During inflationary periods, gold historically preserves purchasing power better than cash or bonds. The next recession will not announce itself. Markets move fast. That is why preparation matters. A gold IRA rollover ensures that no matter what happens to the dollar, the stock market, or the global economy, part of your savings is shielded by something tangible. If you're ready to explore your options or simply want to learn more, start with the free gold IRA guide at americanmoneyreserve.com. Inside, you'll find details on rollovers, IRS rules, approved metals, storage options, and how retirees are using gold to protect their future. Your retirement is too important to leave unprotected. Secure it with real gold through American Money Reserve, the trusted leader in precious metals.